How can I create the best structural design with minimal engineering effort? If your company is struggling to answer this question, you might be interested to know that structural topology optimization isn't limited to 3D printed parts. It can also create better thin-walled designs than humans, and faster. To design stiffeners in thin-walled structures, as commonly found in injection-molded components, Flanders Make has developed a shell-based topology optimization that reduces the design time, improves the stiffness compared to manual design, reduces the optimization time required for similar performance, and offers far more manufacturable designs compared to regular topology optimization. Why not put it to the test? Here, you can compete with our process to design a stiffening structure for a thin plate. Select the locations of the stiffeners while accounting for a maximum weight. You will start at the same time as the optimizer. When you are finished, a numerical simulation of the deformation of both designs will demonstrate which performed best.